Hello YouTube, Chastek's back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a bad sound quality problem in Windows computer. So if you are facing your computer speaker or when you use your headphone, if you are gaining or listening to a bad sound, I have two solutions for this video. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first solution for this video would be go here, click here the search icon and type here troubleshoot. Here the troubleshoot setting, then open it. So after the troubleshoot opened, click here additional troubleshooters. So after the additional troubleshooters open, you will find here the playing audio option. So select that and it will give you the option to run the troubleshooter. So here it's detecting a problem related with the playing audio, so wait patiently and here it will give you different options, turn off sound effect and enhancements. So you can click here yes, open audio enhancement, and here it will show you the different enhancements, so you can disable or enable. So you can also try to play test sounds, so you will listen some kind of sounds, and if that good sound, that bad sound is removed, well then. If not, you can select bad, or if you did not hear, you can select I did not hear anything. So maybe if you hear good, you can select good, and the playing audio problem will be resolved. So this will be the first solution. If the first solution is not helping you, then the second solution will be updating your sound driver. In order to do that, again go here on the bottom and click here the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager, then open it. So after the device manager open, on the bottom you will find here sound video game controller. So click here the arrow and you will find the Realtek high definition audio or some kind of the driver on your computer. So select that specific audio driver, right click on it and select update driver. So then after that, click here browse my computer for driver, then select here let me pick from the list of available drivers. Then after that you will find here different drivers. In my case here I have the Realtek high definition audio, so I'm using this one. So if this is not working correctly, just select the other one. If you have 3-4, just check each of them. So in my case I only have one other than the Realtek high definition audio, so select the high definition audio and click here next. Then it will start installing this driver. Then after the install completed, restart your computer and check whether the bad sound problem is solved or not. So these are the two solutions which will help you to fix this problem. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chastek out.